Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to back up your iTunes library to your PC or Mac using iMusic. It's always nice to back up your music in your iTunes library in case you accidentally lose that music due to a computer crash or virus. It's also useful if you plan to ditch for a new computer or create a new iTunes library. iMusic is able to back up your music, playlists, and videos in your iTunes library to any Windows PC or Mac or even an external hard drive. So let's take a look at these steps right now. Step 1. The first step is you'll want to run iMusic itself, and once you launch the program, the default place it should load is the iTunes library or the library, so just make sure you're inside of this tab here. Step 2. Choose music and back it up. So now we can go through and click on any of the songs that we want to back up, and once we've selected the things we want, we can go up to the top right and click on the second icon that says Export, and from here we can click on Export to My Computer. Then we can select a place where we want to save these files to, and click on OK to confirm. Then once it's finished, you can open up the folder it's been saved to so you can view the files on your computer, or just click on OK to close. That's going to do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys, and we will see you in the next one.